What's up everybody, it's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thanks so much for joining me today and clicking on that thumbnail. I do hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. If you're returning, hey Shug Muffin. Alright y'all, so we are here with the first edition in 2021 of Budget Friendly Friday. I said Budget Friendly Friday. I said Budget Friendly Friday. A Budget Friendly Friday. Yes, y'all, we are here with another Budget Friendly Friday where I am bringing you or showcasing wigs that are under $25. Yes, we are still trying to save those coins even in 2021. Alright, so today I'm going to be reviewing a beauty that I'm sure you have been seeing all over YouTube because I have. But I'm just getting my hands on this good. And this is an Outre unit in the style Kimora and in the color GingerBrown. So let's go ahead and dive right into the video.
You're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right, while you try to fight just...
Alright y'all, so let's talk about Kimora. This is a beauty right here. Like, she got quite a bit of hype. Not as much as Kimora, which I still have not had the pleasure of experiencing, but hopefully she's coming. But Kimora is beautiful. Like, style, yes. Color, yes. Texture, yes. I mean, we got the yak, y'all. Kimora's a little banger. Now you saw that she came as a middle part. I did shift her to a right side part. And it does leave the unit a smidgen uneven. So that's why I kind of pushed the hair back. You know, so you won't even see it. But it does make her slightly uneven if you shift her. So, of course, this side is much longer. Or not much, but slightly longer than this side. No big deal to me. I don't mean, it doesn't, nothing that bothers me that much. So look how I can run my hands through her, y'all. Like, no tangling. I haven't even been experiencing any shedding, to be honest. Like, I'm just realizing, like, I haven't been like, why is all this hair all over me? Like, none of that. No shedding, no tangling. This color is so freaking beautiful. The only thing, I kind of wish it had a little bit more of a dark root. Only because a con is that this cap is super small, and so I'm left with my own edges out, and so having a dark root would just help it blend a little better. This is a super small cap, and I have a small to medium sized head now, and I feel like if I say it's small, I'm sure my bigger head friends are saying the same. You know, it's not like a super pre-plucked hairline or anything. I just, you know, I always have to leave my edges out because they're going to protrude out anyway. But this is way farther back than my actual hairline because this cap is just really that small. Now, it doesn't feel tight or uncomfortable. It's just not covering the front. So, you got to get a little strategic and creative to make it work and blend. But man, I just don't have a whole lot of complaints about this unit. I mean, other than the cap size, and the cap size is not a deal breaker for me because I'm not uncomfortable. I just had to, you know, make it work so that it don't look crazy and just throw in some little swoops here. But man, this is a beautiful wig. Like, what are my expectations gonna be when I finally get Kimora for all the hype that I've been hearing about her? And this is how I feel about Kimora. Like, woo, she's a beauty, y'all. All right, who has both? Who has both Kimora and Kimaya? And which one you really like better? I want to see if there's some people out there that really like Kimora better, because, man, she is the business to me. Now, the price of Kimora ranges anywhere between $20 and $40, which is why I put her in the Budget Friendly Friday video, because you can really find her in that $20 range. I will, of course, leave a link down in the description box of various options if you're interested and you want to shop around. All right, y'all, so that's really all I have for this video. If you have made it this far, go ahead and drop me a brown heart emoji down in the comments below for this beautiful ginger brown color. Also, if you're not already, be sure to follow me on Instagram at MsEbonyVee. I do post a lot of content there that you may be interested in, so check that out. Also, be sure to visit my Wig Sale link that is down in the description box as well. I thank you all so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it as always. Please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will see you beautiful people in the next video.